Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a voiceover, so I'm just going to like speed up what I'm doing. I think I'm going to do a kind of glam, natural, nudes kind of colours for my makeup today because I'm going on a call later. Lockdown things.
Yeah. Whoa. I'm so pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside that kitty cat.
Okay, so to start off, I started off with the tea tree toner from Pretty Little Thing, and I used the ordinary like moisturizer droplet thing, and then I just used simple moisturizer, and then I used the color correctors in yellow and green from the collection. Oh my god, why am I going so fast? And now I'm using tape, and I've taken the Morphe palette called 9D. I'm using that brown shade to use for my fox eye. And then I'm using NARS foundation in the shade Barcelona. It actually comes out kind of yellow, I think, on camera at first, but I actually just ended up just not really doing it on camera because it looked so yellow. I was like, what? Why is it yellow? It's actually not yellow in real life. And then I'm taking the Luna, the gold like primer thing, and I'm using that to like have a glowy effect. And then I'm using these concealers. These concealers are actually so good. And that's for contour, that Matte Fit Me from Maybelline. Yeah, just doing my contour, and then I'm just blending my contour. My dog was actually behind me and I kept having to like check on her because she was actually sleeping for most of it though, to be fair. And now I'm setting my face with the collection powder. It's like in like one of the light shades, obviously. Why am I putting it up so close to the camera? Yeah, just making sure it's all staying on my face. Now I'm using this palette. It's from Sephora. It's called What's Your Favorite Physician? And then it's like COOOO. There it is. I'm just using the contour, the bronzer from that, and the blush shade. So yeah, and now I'm contouring my nose. I only started doing this recently because I seen a girl on TikTok doing it and her makeup's so nice. So like I stopped contouring the edges of my nose. I now just contour the top of it. I think it looks nice. And then I'm doing the fox eye on the inner corners. I think that's so hard to do. I always like mess it up. And then I'm putting in black liquid eyeliner just on my waterline. I don't know how it doesn't make me cry, but there we go. Now I'm just using highlighter. I'm using the one by Luna by Lisa Jordan. And then I'm using my NYX lip liner. I'm using this Revlon Lap Balm. I actually got a new lipstick. It's from Doll's Beauty from Beauty Bay, and you can actually, that one's in the shade Come to Mama, and it's literally the same thing. It's so nice, but it didn't come in the post yet when I filmed this, so I just used this. It's literally like the same thing. But yeah, and then I'm using a clear lip gloss. It's like a plumping lip gloss. I think it's from Soap and Glory. It's called Sexy Mother Pucka. So I think it's from Soap and Glory, but it sounds kind of, I don't know. But here's the finished look. Me absolutely loving myself. Oh my god, I just feel so awkward filming this, guys, but there it is. So this is my makeup. Just a fox eye kind of. Like, I like these eyelashes. They're the ones from Sosu Envy. My friend got them for me for my birthday last year, and I repurchased them loads, and they're like my favorite eyelashes. I actually forgot that I never said bye. Well, I did say bye actually, but my camera literally died, so bye guys.